Hello to all my dear friends. Today I would like to talk about an important issue and present my words with a painting in this area. I hope you watch until the end of the video and share your comments with me. It's okay to be afraid sometimes, but you should never let fear hold you back, because what comes after the fear is what we live for. The world is a scary place. There are so many things that can hurt you or make you sad, and you should be afraid. Most reasonable people are, but you shouldn't let the fear stop you. People are going to leave you, you are going to fail, you will be embarrassed, and you will die some days. These things are scary, and there are a million of other things out there that could potentially scare you. Realistically, you should feel frightened, but you shouldn't let the fear stop you from living your life. You should go out and meet new people. Show them your soul and hope they accept you. When they do, you will be relieved, and when they don't, feel that pain and then move on. When people disappoint you or leave, feel the hurt, then go out and continue to live your life. Meet more people and share your life with them. Get out of your comfort zone. Do something risky. Do something that scares you. Do it to learn, to change, and to move forward. When you fail, get up, go again, keep trying. To succeed, you have to keep going. You can't stop. You have to grow and stretch your limit. Fear can stand in the way of the greatness you can achieve if you choose to let it. You can push past the fear, triumph over it, and reach the victories you are striving toward. When you get embarrassed, don't dwell on it. It will pass. You will make embarrassing decision or have embarrassing moment, and that's okay, because you will learn from it, and next time you will do something different. It doesn't matter what people think. You are living your life and you are trying. Don't be afraid of what they will think of you. Don't let fear stop you in your life. Take chances, put yourself out there. Do something you are scared to do. Learn, grow, and change. Follow your passion. Remove people from your life that aren't good for you. Appreciate what you have and go after what you want. Life is scary. Being afraid is okay. I encourage it actually. If you're not afraid, are you doing anything worthwhile? But after the initial fright, you have to handle it, and it's how you handle that fear that will determine your life. So go out and be afraid, then conquer your fear. Move past it and don't let it stop you. Instead, let it push you toward reaching your goals and dreams. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.